In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sound effects to your Canva video and export it as an MP4. First, open Canva in your browser. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your homepage. If not, sign in so you can access your projects. Next, either open an existing video design or create a new video project. If you're starting fresh, choose a size that fits your platform, like a standard 16:9 video, so your audio timing lines up with your visuals later. On the left side of the editor, click Audio. This opens Canva's audio library where you can find music and sound effects. Use the search bar to look for specific sounds, like click, whoosh, or pop. You can also filter by categories to narrow things down. If you already have audio you want to use, go to Uploads, choose Upload Media, and select your audio file from your computer. Make sure you have the rights to use any file you upload. Once you've found the sound effect you want, drag it straight onto your video timeline at the bottom of the screen. You'll see the audio appear as a colored waveform beneath your clips. If the sound drops in at the wrong spot, simply click and drag the audio clip left or right until it lines up with the moment you want it to play. Zooming in on the timeline can help you place it more precisely on a specific action or cut. If the sound effect is too long, trim it by selecting the audio clip and clicking Trim or Cut. Adjust the handles to keep only the part you need. Short, punchy trims often feel cleaner and more professional, especially for transitions or button clicks. Now, fine-tune the volume. With the audio clip selected, use the volume control in the toolbar above the timeline. Lower it if the effect is overpowering, or raise it if it's getting lost under other sounds. Aim for a balanced mix where the effect enhances the moment without distracting from your message. Preview your video by hitting play. Watch and listen for timing, volume, and overall feel. If something's off, pause, adjust the position, trim again, or tweak the volume until it sits just right. When you're happy with everything, click Share, then Download, and choose MP4 Video. Canva will prepare your file and download it to your device, ready to publish or share. That's it. Your video now has well-placed sound effects and is exported as an MP4. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating.